Ivadharani from class 11th standard. Today's original place. So, நீ வந்து உனக்காக தான் இருக்கணும். You did not need to accepted by others. You have to need accepted by you. So வந்து நீ ஒரிஜினலா இருந்தனா எல்லார் கண்களுக்கும் யூனிக்கா தெரிவே. யூனிக்கா இருந்தனா you will be shy. So வந்து எல்லாரும் ஒரிஜினலா இருக்க கத்துக்கோங்க. You should be unique. Thank you. Then I promise you, if I become a SPL means I give importance to student studies as well as extracurricular activities. Then I must concentrate in our campus language. Then இப்போ உங்களோட விஷ் ஏதாச்சும் இருந்தா if என்கிட்ட சொன்னீங்கன்னா if it is possible means I will talk to the management and we can do that. Thank you.
Good morning my dear friends and teachers. My name is Puspa Sri. Today the topic of my speech is discipline. If you don't discipline when you are school or in college, you pay a heavy price in later part of your life. Discipline like coming up in a proper way, walking properly, talking properly, communicating properly and respecting people properly. So I don't want you should be like a potato and regretting your old age. You should remember that to be successful in life, there is no shortcut. The only method is hard work and straight way, and that you have to. Thank you.
And students, I stand here before you to discuss the reason why I would like to be the SPL for school. I am Akash and I have been attending this school for almost over 10 years. Being a leader is not only for save me and serve you and act as a bridge between staffs and the teachers, staffs and the students. I am also familiar with the leadership roles and have been involved in many aspects of school life. Thank you.
A very good morning to our principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I am Shiva Yogesh from 11th standard B section. Today I tell some words that Abdul Kalam says. Learning. Learning gives knowledge. Knowledge makes you a person great. The history is proven. Once who broke all the limitations of the imaginations, they can change the world. Like Sir C.V. Raman, Einstein and Newtons, etc. And another one thing, time. Time is fast when we are late. Time is short when we are happy. Time is endless when we are in pain. Time is a currency. Be careful. You should solve it. Thank you.
Good morning to all. I am Ramjan Bibi. I am studying 11th standard. I will compete to SPL. I would like to speak about respect and discipline. If you want respect from others, you first respect to others. And discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. Because great leaders always have self-discipline. So I will make my school discipline, become my SPL. I will make my school clean and neat. I will grow many plants or trees in my school. It is a good chance for me and you. For me to act as a good captain. For you to select a good captain. இந்த எஸ்பிஎல் தேர்தல் என்பது ஒரு நல்ல வாய்ப்பு. எனக்கும் உங்களுக்கும். எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல தலைவனாக இருப்பதற்கான வாய்ப்பு. உங்களுக்கு நல்ல தலைவனை தேர்ந்தெடுக்கக்கூடிய வாய்ப்பு. தேங்க்யூ.